What's up guys, so today I'm just gonna change my PS4 God of War edition, switch it from a 1 terabyte to a 2 terabyte. So I got this one, let me zoom in so we can see better. It's a Seagate 2 terabyte Barracuda. It's a 2.5 HDD. It's not an SSD, so it's just a regular hard drive. I'm just gonna switch it so I can have more space on my PlayStation. So to change it, the hard drive is located here. For those who don't know, it's in this little compartment here. So we're gonna try to put it off. There you go. You just have to pull it off a little bit harder. Yeah, so you just turn this one. And then you pull this one, there you go. Now you have those 4 screws here that you need to remove. Let's do it slowly. Oops. Just be careful not to lose anything. Now that they're all gone, you can just remove it. So this is the original one that come with the PlayStation. As you can see, this one says a 1 terabyte. I'm just gonna go for a 2 terabyte. Now this one, the one that I bought, it's a little bit it's thinner. So as you can see, and I don't really have something to put below it, but you know what, I'm just gonna try do it this way. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bit annoying, but you know what, we can make it work. It's a little bit annoying, but when it's in, it's in. Two more to go, and I should be good. Tighten a little bit. Like I said, not too tight. There you go. All in. Now what we need to do, put it back in here and you push until it's all in. and you put back the screw. You can have this one here back, you push. No need to push too hard. And that's it. Okay guys, so this is the website from PlayStation where you come and download the latest software. So I'm gonna leave the website link down in the description. So you come here, don't download this one because this one is only for updates. You want to click on this link here. Do you want to perform a fresh install of the full system software? So you click here and it will bring you in this page here. Now make sure that you have at least 2 gigabytes of USB space, and it's better if it's empty, but I think it's okay if you have some other files and stuff like that, but I prefer to have an empty one. So from here you need to create a folder called PS4, and inside this folder you need to create another one called updates, and it gives you the instruction here also, so you can just clearly follow these instructions and you shouldn't have a problem. Now here you click on download. Here is the link to download the software. So now guys, the download is complete. I can see here that I have my 1 gig file. So now I think we're ready to go into the PS4 and start the installation. Now guys, when you come back here, you plug it your USB. When it's plugged in, you need to press the power button for 7 seconds until you're gonna hear a second beep. There you go, second beep. Yeah, so from here we go down to initialize PS4, and the one beside that says between bracket reinstall system software. So you click on it, you do OK, and it's supposed to check your USB drive to make sure that everything is there. So from here guys, just let it go. It will install everything and complete on its own, so you don't need really to do anything. So there you go guys, that's it for the installation. From here on you just click next, and you set up your time and everything else, and after that your installation is complete and you're ready to play. So let me know what you think in the comment down below, drop me a like, and I will tell you guys à la prochaine.